Hi everyone, today we will go to fix this problem you have on your Instagram app. You will just go click here on settings, then you come here to settings window, and this is window, and you just go down. You will click here on apps, then we come to apps window here like you say, and we will go down here to looking for Instagram app here, and this is window. We will go down, then we will find Instagram. We will click here on Instagram, then we come to next window here like you say. We will click here on for stop, then you will click here on OK, then you just go down. You will click here on storage, then you come to storage window. You will click here on clear cache, then you will click here on clear data, and you just turn off your phone and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish now you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.